In front of me is Motorola Edge Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Settings and scrolling to hit System. Then choose Gestures here and tap on one-handed mode. Following that, if you are using gesture navigation, use this switcher to activate it. Make sure that full screen into reach is on, and then swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it, use the same no blue switcher. But if you are using tricky navigation, this option won't be available. So instead, you need to scroll all the way down and use the switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit Got It and enter one-handed mode by tapping on the shortcut. You can go back to standard size screen by clicking on the same one or clicking on this area. You can also swipe up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!